You guys ready to make some strawberry waffles? Maybe some pancakes too? Delicious. Added some syrup. Look at those beautiful strawberries. We added the whipped cream, but I think we need just a bit more syrup before we're done. It's beautiful. Now let's get the light and cure it. And there you have it, guys. Beautiful strawberry waffles with a bit of whipped cream on top. I could scream. I just got one of my favorite sets. French toast. It comes with blueberries and bananas. Guest starring whipped cream from my other set. Now that we got some on, let's use our trusty little fork. Properly spread, I will say. Let's do bananas. Now that we've got the bananas lined up, I'm going to toss on some blueberries. Just a few more. Maybe the whipped cream and some syrup. Almost done. Now let's set this bad boy. Come on, come on, come on. And there you have it. Delicious French toast. Let's see if you can guess what we're about to make. First clue, a bowl. Second clue, milk. Third clue is a spoon. What do you think we're making? If you guess cereal, you are correct. These look easy to make, but I think I'm going to add bananas and blueberries too. Now that we've added some milk, let's dump in some cereal. Yum! Time for the fruit. Time to stir. Let's add more to the top, and maybe we'll stir it around again. Yum, that looks delicious. Let's get the light on it. Okay, but the shadow looks cool, right? And there you have it, delicious cereal.